Yo, what's up everyone? Bringing you the lowdown on something wild. Technology moving so fast that stuff we thought would only show up 100 years from now is already here. And that too in 2025. Yeah, you heard me right. While you're still figuring out how to parallel park your old school ride, the world's already flying. Forget regular motorcycles, forget traffic jams. The future rides on air, literally. Today, we're diving deep into the coolest flying motorcycles, cars, and even hoverboards that are flipping the game. Ready to see what people will be buying instead of your dusty gas guzzler? Let's go. First up, meet the S3 Hoverbike. Imagine a motorcycle, but instead of wheels, it's got 4 powerful rotors to lift it off the ground. Built by a Russian company, this bad boy can zoom up to 96 kilometers per hour while cruising about 16 feet in the air. Think of it as a motorbike that ditched the roads for open skies. Powered by batteries, it can keep you airborne for about 20 to 25 minutes on a single charge. Not bad for a first-gen flying bike, right? Originally, this was meant for police, military, and emergency rescue missions. No joke, Dubai police already tested it for real-life ops. But now, the company is pushing it for personal use, to dodge all that nasty traffic congestion we know too well. And here's the kicker. In just a couple of years, you might actually have one of these on your driveway. Next, from the USA comes the Aero-X, another flying bike that blends helicopter tech with motorcycle vibes. It's made by Aero-X, and trust me, this thing looks sleek and futuristic. It can reach up to 72 km/h and fly about 12 feet off the ground. The whole body is made of carbon fiber, so it's lightweight but tough. Plus, it seats 2 people at once, perfect for a buddy ride in the sky. One of the coolest things? It's surprisingly easy to learn. In just a few hours, you could be flying like a pro. The battery lasts up to 75 minutes on a single charge, so it's got some serious endurance for urban air travel. Aero-X aims to launch it for the public within 6 years. Mark your calendars. This one sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Flyboard Air, created by a French inventor. It's a jet-powered flying board you stand on, hovering like something out of Back to the Future. Equipped with 4 turbojet engines, this bad boy can blast up to 150 km/h and climb up to 10,000 feet. But here's the catch. It only flies for about 10 minutes per fuel load, and you'll need serious skills to pilot it. It's already being used in military rescue operations in some countries, so it's legit. If you thought skateboards were cool, wait till you see someone hoverboarding through the city sky. Now, for the ultimate hybrid, the LV Liberty, a flying car built by a British company. Picture a helicopter fused with a car, taking off from the street and soaring through the skies. It cruises on roads at 160 km/h and flies up to 180 km/h in the air. Fill it up once, and you can cover 500 km flying. That's some serious range. You will need a pilot license though. But here's the crazy part. It only takes about 10 minutes to learn how to drive and fly this beast. Flying cars have been a dream for decades, and this one might just make it a reality for us soon. Forget pilots. Meet the Airbus Vahana, an autonomous flying taxi that flies itself. It looks like a hybrid between a drone and a mini-plane, with 8 rotors lifting it up vertically. It's designed for a single passenger and can cruise at 177 km/h for about 50 kilometers on a full charge. The company aims to replace private cars with these air taxis within a couple of years. Imagine summoning your flying taxi with an app instead of crawling through traffic. The future is here, and it's autonomous. Here's a wild one from France, the Lazareth IMV 496. This motorcycle hides 4 mini jet turbines inside its wheels. On the ground, it's a regular bike. Want to take off? It fires up the jets and lifts off within a minute, cruising about 10 feet in the air. Weighing 140 kilo, it flies for around 10 minutes on a fuel tank. The company plans to bring this beast to the public soon. Germany's E-Volo Volocopter looks like a giant drone with 18 rotors. Designed as an urban air taxi, it can fly 35 kilometers at speeds up to 90 km/h. It doesn't need a pilot. It flies autonomously, perfect for quick city hops. Future uses include VIP transport, ambulances, and emergency response. If you want to feel like a VIP, maybe you'll be flying in one soon. The ZEDSON One is a small but powerful personal drone from Sweden. It has 8 rotors and can fly up to 102 km/h. Lightweight at 86 kg. Made from aluminum and carbon fiber, it's designed to be easy to fly. Learn it in 5 minutes, they say. This personal flying vehicle aims to cut down urban traffic congestion by taking your commute to the skies. Last but not least, the Lilium Jet is a sleek electric air taxi with 36 tiny jet engines. It's fast, up to 300 km/h, and can cover 300 kilometers on a single charge. Designed to replace private jets and taxis, it can fly itself or be flown by a pilot. Commercial service is rolling out soon in Europe and the US. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the future, flying right over our heads. The tech that once belonged in sci-fi novels is now hitting roads, skies, and your front yard soon. The way we travel, commute, and live is about to change forever. Forget being stuck in traffic or crowded buses. The future is airborne, and if you don't jump on it soon, you might just get left behind in the dust. Stay curious, stay skeptical, but most importantly, stay ready to fly. Catch you in the sky, fam.